Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifeanyi. Yeah. Yes. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, share, comment. I'm going to see your comment and like. If there's any question, you can ask me. Okay. I know that it's hot season already, and you like to wear this type of dress. You have your armpits open wide. So I'm sorry for leaving my armpit like this because I have to keep it to make this video. Yes. So I'm going to teach you how to get rid of this and the blacks, and it. So I'll be using this hair remover. After making use of the hair remover, you leave it for 10 or 15 minutes. So then you wash. So I'm back. Okay, so the next thing is to add your roll-on or your shawl, anyone that you have. So allow it to dry.
See the sun goes down, driving lights in hearts, counting trees around. This is our day to dream. My heart it's cursed with you. My heart is cursed with you.
So make sure that you use the color of your skin. Okay? Add some powder. Yeah. So ladies, you don't have to worry. So raise your hands up.
With this feeling I can leave. I'm working and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear?
So thank you for watching me. Thank you for subscribing. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Okay? Alright? Okay, baby. Alright, baby. Alright, baby. So please subscribe, share, and save a sister, and save a brother, and save a model. Okay? Some people don't know what to do, but I have to tell you that this is what some people do. At least if you are a makeup artist and you do this to your clients, but make sure that you use a foam, like a blending brush or a blender. Yeah, let me say a blender that you know that you won't use to another person. Just after using it, you throw it out, or you ask the bride to give you her own brush, her own personal brush, and do this for her. So it's better you do this and she'll smile and say thank you. She can even add more money for you. Some bride I have. So babes, level up, guys. Okay. So thanks for subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe, share, comment. Alright. In this channel I do DIYs in comedy stuff, entertainment like dancing, every other thing concerning entertainment and DIYs, and that is what I do. So guys, please don't forget to follow me on other social medias, Instagram at Abigail Ifeanyi. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Just getting me